Hi guys, welcome to another video from myself, RC Steve B, and October is on us already. Soon be Halloween, and I've got to say the man cave feels a little bit funny at the moment. There's a strange energy in the air. That might be because the place is an absolute pigsty. Luckily enough, you can't see the desk at the moment because just down here, because believe me, the desk is an absolute, they say a tidy desk is the sign of a sick mind. My mind must be very, very healthy because my desk is an absolute pigsty. Things are a bit all over the place. As you can see behind me, I'm actually in the process of building a doll's house for my mother-in-law, which is then going to be handed to my unborn granddaughter. Waiting for grandchild number 3 to be born in November, so another couple of weeks to go before she makes her appearance. And this is being built for my mother-in-law, but then will actually be handed over to my granddaughter at a later date. So something just definitely feels weird in this room. Oh, okay. Yes, so October is upon us, and it was last week was the meet of the UK RC Truck and Plant at Badsey. And yet again, what a meet. I really wish that some of you guys could actually join us there, because the atmosphere is absolutely brilliant. I can't state it. You need to be there to actually enjoy it. If you do get the chance to come along and join us, please, please, please do. You will be made to feel more than welcome. The UK RC Truck and Plant have got a video up of Sunday's meet. I've actually got some different video on this. There is a little bit that overlaps. Most of it on here is my trucks that were there, and the old tank there was there as well. But there's also another couple of really quite exciting things on the horizon. If I just turn that there, I have 2 new trailers. We've got that one there, which you may remember this. This was the box trailer that I had last Christmas and I took to the Nationals. And I thought to myself, it's great, but it's an empty box. You can't really do anything. I like loads and things like that. So I had a go at taking the sides off and turning it into a flatbed. Wait till the end of the video and I'll explain to you exactly how I did that. And also, we have a tipper as well. Again, I will explain a little bit about that when we get to the end of the video. In the meantime, sit back. Enjoy the video, and I will see you at the end. See you in a minute, guys. Bye-bye.
Why? Because they were talking to him. In front of Ian singing in the world. Go back and just sat there, they were talking to him. Yeah. Brilliant. I'll say they were. Yeah.
It's in the disco as well.
Oh, that's nice.
Give me a company car, though. Samuel company car.
Samuel company car.
Yeah, it's like Samuel. The idea is to get some fire on it. Put Samuel as a home delivery. We bring the poison to you.
Yeah.
That was good.
It's all right, isn't it? For the money,
They are good.
they are. For the money, they're not bad. Yeah, about 130 quid.
It'll go higher. Yeah, you can have that going straight in the back of your concrete mixer. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Good thinking there. Hold on.
Just drive forward a bit.
Has he mentioned it's got cruise control?
Four-wheel drive, diff locks,
Cruise control.
hydraulic.
What else has he mentioned?
It's symmetric under the offer.
Yeah, pretty good figure, yeah? That's it now, back. Back. Not back too far. again, that's not my driving normally.
Right. Yeah. Oh, do you? Yeah, I think, yeah, the ball, the original the technique by 14. Oh, I see. And they got that right, mate. To make a 6-foot panel, make a 7-foot panel. Yeah. Back in the back.
Well, there you go. I know I say it every time, but what a day. I drove home from there on Sunday, and I kid you not, my face hurt and my voice was hoarse from all the laughing that we'd been doing. It's proper non-political correct banter, and it is refreshing. It's absolutely brilliant without being vulgar. You know, there's no sexism, there's no racism, there's nothing like that. It's proper lad banter, but in the, as Kenny Everett would say, in the best possible taste. So, God, I did that a bit too well then, didn't I? Right, going back to the old flatbed. As you can probably remember, I took this with the Globe liner to the Nationals, and I absolutely loved it. It is a dream to tow, absolutely fabulous. And I had the small flatbed trailer, the double axled ones, which now looks like this. That is what is left of my double axled Tamiya trailer, because the front bar, the front faceboard, sorry, the faceboard at the front, that actually went on to that over there. In fact, if you just bear with me 1 second, just wait there 1 second. As if by magic. Right, so here we go. That is the new old trailer. Took the complete back off it, as you can see, so there is no back on there at all now. The headboard from the trailer went on there. It's a bit of an unconventional fit, as you can see down there. And the trailer bed is just a piece of chipboard, sorry, laminated chipboard, something like that. It's chipboard or laminated, something like that, I don't know. But it's been polished, and it's also, varnished, and it's had the lines drawn on it so that it actually looks like planks. That actually came out of that piece of wood there, which I've had to buy to make doors, the internal doors for the dolls' houses, which you can see there has been painted. So that's what's happened. Turn you back round, bring you back over this way, and back down. Now then, the next meet for UK RC Truck and Plant is on the 5th of November. So you should see the sparks fly then. See what I did there? Really looking forward to it. And unlike this year, we also have a meet in December. So I'm pretty sure that there'll be quite a few Crimbo themed trucks decorated driving around, which should be a joy to behold. In the meantime, if you haven't, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure also that you check out the YouTube page of the UK RC Truck and Plant. I will leave a link there next to mine there, so that if you haven't already subscribed, you can do. And if I move all the way over here, you should be able to get the video in there of last month's meet. And until next month, guys, happy RCing, keep on trucking, and I will see you all later. Have a good Halloween, guys. Bye-bye.